Okay, so I'm really excited about the recipe that I'm going to share today. Long story short, I was babysitting my nephews. I practically only have vegan food in my house, so I wasn't really sure what I could get away with feeding them and what they would actually eat. So I thought maybe I can make something that they'll at least recognize. And all I had in my fridge were some lentils and some quinoa. But I did have some buns in the pantry and I had some spaghetti sauce. So I thought, why don't we make something that looks like sloppy joes? Like, you don't really see the meat in the sloppy joes, you just see the texture. And I replace hamburger with lentils all the time in my recipes. So I took some lentils. We've got about a half a cup here. And some quinoa. About a half a cup there, to sort of mimic the texture of hamburger. And then I took some red sauce and mixed that in. And when the boys tried this, they said that they were the best sloppy joes they had ever had. And they asked what I did different with them, and I just said they don't have any meat in them. So then you just kind of, this way you can adjust the texture how you want. So I'm not really liking the way that a 1-to-1 ratio looks, so I'm going to put some more lentils in there. So I'll put 1 cup of lentils for a half a cup of quinoa. And once I mix that in, I'll be able to tell if I need more red sauce. All right. So I think I'm going to add a little bit more red sauce. And then we'll pop it in the microwave for maybe a minute or two. It's gotta be the fastest meal to throw together for a couple kids. And you don't have to sit there waiting for hamburger to grill and getting grease all in your face. Lentil cooking day, you can add some nice fresh herbs in there. The steam is beneficial for your pores, keeps your skin looking great. Yeah, so that tastes really great. So I'm going to throw this in the microwave for probably like 30 seconds, maybe a minute. I'm just trying to get it done. Throw that in a bun. And there we have a delicious, vegan, super kid-friendly, kid-approved sloppy joe.